Hello students, today I will perform an experiment named Study of Osmosis by Potato Osmoscope. Let's see the requirements first. A fresh potato, peeler or scalpel, bowl or shallow glass beaker, anyone which is available, then pins, concentrated sugar solution and colored water. Now before starting with the practicals, let's see some terms which we should know. Weaker solution, that is solution having low solute. In this solvent is more and solute is low. Then stronger solution, solution having high solute, that is less solvent and more solute. Then semi-permeable membrane. It's a membrane which allows solvent but not solute. Then osmoscope. Osmoscope is used to demonstrate the process of osmosis. Potato osmoscope is used in which a sugar solution is placed inside a cavity carved out in a potato tuber which is kept in water. Coming to the principle. When two solutions of different concentration are separated by semi-permeable membrane, the flow of solvent is from the region of weaker solution having low solid concentration to the region of stronger solution having high solute concentration till the equilibrium is reached, so that the osmotic pressure are balanced. Osmosis is of two types, endosmosis and exosmosis. Example of endosmosis is when a cell is placed in hypotonic solution, the water will enter inside the cell, that is endosmosis. Example, when the pulses are kept in water, water enters inside and they swells. Exosmosis, when a cell is placed in hypertonic solution, the cell loses water and it shrinks. Let's see the procedure. Take a fresh potato tuber and peel off the skin with the help of scalpel. Or peeler. Don't be in a hurry, take your own time to peel off the skin of the potato. Now to make the potato stand in a beaker or in a bowl, cut the potato from one side in such a way that it will make a flat base. Scoop the peeled tuber properly. So you can see the process. Scoop the peeled tuber properly to make a hollow block, a well in potato. So do this carefully and see that while doing this, the base bottom is not ruptured. Now add concentrated sugar solution in the cavity and mark its level by inserting a pin in the cavity wall. Now place this potato osmoscope in a bowl or glass beaker. Fill it with colored water. This colored water should be outside the potato. Mark the initial level with pin. After some time, mark the level of sugar solution in the potato osmoscope. Observation. You can easily note that level of sugar solution in potato osmoscope rises after some time. The solution in the cavity osmoscope also become colored. So in the beginning, the colored water was outside the potato osmoscope. But after some times, you will see the colored water inside. It can be inferred that colored water from the bowl has entered the cavity of the potato osmoscope. So by comparing these two pictures, you will come to know the level of sugar solution and the level of colored water.